Good evening, and thank you for joining us. We're going to begin with a dire new warning from the nation's top infectious disease expert. Tonight, Dr. Anthony Fauci says the next few weeks are critical to tamp down what he calls a disturbing coronavirus surge, and that with cases rising in 26 states, he's worried the death toll could soon spike too. Fauci says that's due in part to some places reopening too quickly and because young people are, quote, throwing caution to the wind. He's urging everyone to wear masks and avoid crowds. Texas and California have set stunning new single-day records for new infections, and hospitals in Arizona, where the president is campaigning tonight, are filling up with patients. As we come on the air tonight, the coronavirus has killed more than 121,000 nationwide, and more than 2.3 million people have been infected in the U.S. There's also some breaking news tonight from the FBI. Investigators now say there's no evidence that a crime was committed after a noose was found in the garage of NASCAR's Bubba Wallace. Drivers at Talladega Speedway rallied around the sport's only black racer on Monday. But there's late word tonight that the case is now being closed. Well, there's a lot of breaking news tonight, and our team of correspondents is covering it all. CBS's Mireya Villarreal is going to lead us off tonight from Dallas. Good evening, Mireya.
You know, as the nation's health experts issue a serious warning here in Texas, Governor Greg Abbott announced today the highest they have ever seen. More than 5,400 cases reported in a single day. And now he is asking people to stay inside if they can. Growing fears tonight that states like Texas and Florida are going down a dangerous road as the virus continues to spread. Testifying today on Capitol Hill, Dr. Anthony Fauci said the next couple of weeks are critical in trying to slow the virus.
We're now seeing a disturbing surge of infections that looks like it's a combination, but one of the things is an increase in community spread.
He was also optimistic about a vaccine.
We will be able to make them available to the American public within a year from when we started, which would put us at the end of this calendar year and the beginning of 2021.
26 states are now reporting a spike in COVID-19 cases, with hotspots popping up in the South. Oklahoma is up 245%, Florida nearly 168%, and in Texas, the number of hospitalizations rose nearly 60% in the last week, while the average number of new cases have roughly quadrupled since the end of May. In Houston, Texas Children's Hospital is admitting adults to free up beds for COVID patients. Dr. Mark Boom is president of Houston Methodist Hospital.
But that's the message that the citizens of Houston need to hear is we can't avoid a shutdown if we all do the right things.
Tennis star Novak Djokovic tested positive for coronavirus after hosting a series of exhibition matches where there was no social distancing.
Still here.
48-year-old Collie Dobbins spent 17 days in an Arlington, Texas hospital, 14 of them in the ICU.
Okay, I'm leaving the COVID-19 floor.
It's unclear where the mother of 5 contracted the virus, but within days of the state reopening, she went out.
You can bring it back to your family. So cover yourself, stay guarded, be aware.
Local officials are also begging people to take this seriously. In the meantime, in the world of sports, Major League Baseball announced tonight they will have a shortened 60-game season, but they are still working on their health and safety protocols to keep fans safe. Nora?
Mireya Villarreal, thank you.